This Monday at 7 on S3, it's the Spare Room Challenge on My Design Rules.
That's not supposed to be there. I think somewhere got a little lost in translation.
South Africa's boldest interior design reality show. 3 talented design duos, 3 empty shells, and a race to create luxury designer homes from building and hardware essentials supplied by Buco. And with 600,000 Rand at stake, every detail matters.
Let me go taste that chair.
It's better now.
So we want a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of razzle-dazzle, and that's why we're going with like a very light gold, a champagne vibe.
When there was tension, we managed it, and we're still here, and we're still working together, and we're still trying to get the best out of both of us. Yes.
Right, duos, officially, your time is up! So open up your everyday to the extraordinary with My Design Rules. Mondays at 7, only on S3.